I'm at the L'Oreal Paris Beauty Genius booth here at VivaTech 2024. This booth is red hot right now. Everybody's talking about it. All kinds of beautiful influencer women are lining up here to check out this new product. Essentially, it combines three different things: generative AI, augmented reality, and the knowledge and expertise of L'Oreal Paris. They had originally unveiled the new technology at CES a couple months ago in Las Vegas, but the general public didn't get a chance to actually put their hands on it and test it out until right now here at the conference in Paris. Everyone is super excited about it, and the company's super excited to not only see how the public is reacting to have the technology in their hands, but also to collect the research and the data. So this is very early days, beta version, still testing things out. So the way this works is it actually gives every user their own beauty assistant. You start out by introducing yourself and telling them your basic needs. Hello, my name is Josh. And essentially it provides recommendations for the user for whatever you need in a conversational, friendly tone. It even adds emojis. So basically the interaction is super simplistic. You introduce yourself, you talk about your basic needs, and you take a selfie. So for example, for me, I was curious about a skincare routine. It asks what kind of skin type I have: dry, normal, oily, etc. It asks for a selfie. So you snap a selfie of yourself and it does an analysis. And then it provides really simple, concrete action items for you to address.
All my insecurities are coming to the fore at the L'Oreal Paris Beauty Genius bar, so let's see what their recommendations are.
It recommended a multi-step morning routine and an evening routine to me, and it had some very minimal back and forth that was pretty simple and easy to understand. So I think it's L'Oreal Paris' vision to have this as a free beauty tool in the pocket of every single person who looks for beauty recommendations and may use their product. And thinking about some of the women in my life and how they consume beauty products, I think we could have something really interesting on their hands. So we're really fascinated. You know, the question is, what kind of work are they going to have to do to gain the trust of their users? Because essentially, you're going to have a marketing and sales tool in your pocket. And I really got to trust the recommendations in order to take them and not just feel like I've got a walking ad in my pocket on the phone right now. But in concept, the idea of something that you have in your pocket that can make tailor-made recommendations specifically to you based on a selfie, detailed routines, I think it's a super interesting concept, and I can see this thing totally taking off the beauty industry overall.